Hey peace, here is a fact. 50.7% of customers' buying decision is influenced by marketing emails. Emails are a popular marketing weapon to close more number of sales. But then why you are not making it enough after spending a long hours working on your emails? Well, if you are facing this kind of problem, then maybe your sales email are missing a piece or two from what we call value, because nobody will buy from you just like that until they find you that you're adding value to their life or to their problems. So how do you make your sales email seems valuable and trust building for your subscribers? Hi guys, my name is Ishaan Narang, and in this video I'm gonna give you 4 amazing ideas to make your sales email super valuable to instantly convert your subscriber. Well, we all hear and talk about providing value to audience, but the problem is how? I mean, you must have informed your subscribers about your product, telling them all the features and benefit about it. Am I right? So, isn't that enough for them? What else do they even need? Well, I would say think like a customer yourself. You too might be receiving a lot of emails daily, some of which you don't even bother to open, like I have a lot of. Or even if you do you actually instantly click a buy or add to cart or enroll or apply for their product or maybe service just like that? Probably no. I hope I am right. But you do buy a lot of from those brands or marketers who you are actually familiar with. I mean, I remember subscribing to Grant Cardone. I loved their emails, and before I even knew, I was a full convert to them. So here I'm going to lay out 4 easy ways to make your email highly valuable for your prospect. I have took these ideas from different marketers and brands, and after spending a lot of time, a lot of money in email marketing, I know they all works wonder. So the first thing you can do is attach a piece of content. The easiest way to provide value to a buyer in a sales email is to include a piece of helpful content. Because remember, the goal of an initial sale email is not to try to convert a buyer into a customer, but give them something that will truly interest them, get a conversation going. So what you can do is have an ebook, white paper, checklist, or even a blog post, blog that your prospect might find both interesting and helpful. Okay, now the second thing is you can do is reference a mutual connection. Having a mutual connection in common with the buyer can go a long way. In fact, a prospect is 5 times more likely to engage with a seller when they have share a connection. Surfacing a common connection is valuable to the buyer because it builds trust. The buyer can now check with that mutual connection and determine whether or not this is the right product or service for them. And this is a huge thing because at this level, buyers start considering your product as a valid option for them. Because they all also check your competition. And what you can do is you can address a mutual event or interesting or anything that connect your prospect and your product. Okay, moving on, how else can you add value to your sales email to make them look more legit? You can actually include testimonials and reviews in your email. This is super powerful technique to add value and build trust. In fact, according to the study, 88% of people take online reviews so as seriously as they do personal recommendation. So attaching your current customer reviews and testimonials in your marketing emails will go a long way to build trust with your subscribers. Because think it yourself, do you buy anything online just like that instantly? Don't you look out for reviews and rating before investing your money in any product or service? So how can you expect your subscribers to make a purchase decision without any trust or authority? So yeah, attaching your current client reviews and testimonial in your sales email is the best thing you can do. Convince your subscriber to make a buying decision. Okay, because remember, sales is all about building trust, and talking of building trust, by adding a case study in your marketing email, you can clearly show a transformation of previous client, which will further build trust with your prospect. In some cases, like in a case study, you can actually show in number and also flaunt who you had actually worked with in the past, just like people do in their portfolio. And showing transformation is one of the best selling technique in which you don't directly tell your prospect to buy from you. Neither you bore them by telling your product feature again and again, but you actually show them how your product or service solved a real person, real problem. That same problem that your current prospect may have. And this way you can successfully sell even without trying to sell. So why not use this technique in your email? Because your prospect might already have those planned all discount offer emails getting dust in their inbox. So this technique can actually make you stand out, alright? Hopefully these tips will help you to bring the best in your sales email and boost your marketing. Thank you for watching it so far. And if sending a lot of emails is a part of your job, then I have not so regular business opportunity for you. But don't tell anyone. You don't even need to have an email list for that. Just click the link in the description to know more how can I actually help, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing and insightful videos. Thanks, bye for now.